Hello and welcome back to Get Healthy Now Mastery. I'm so glad that you are joining me today. I'm so glad to have you. I'm so glad to come to you and you come to me. Welcome back into my Get Healthy Now Mastery kitchen in Raw-Vember. Raw-Vember. Remember going raw in November? This is what we're all about. Today we got a juice. We're going to make a juice. You all know that I am on a journey to healing my heart. So you're going to see these juices, and a lot of the juice is going to be the same, but the key is that I have to be consistently juicing, consistently eating raw, consistently drinking my water, consistently exercising, walking, doing my rebounding. All of this play a part. Consistently meditating and doing my breath work. All of this play a part in healing and getting rest. Rest is key. Getting rest. So I'm coming to you now because I want to continue to encourage you that this is our lifestyle. It's not something that I'm going to do for the next couple of months and then I'm going to stop juicing. I'm going to stop doing whatever it is I'm doing. No, it's a lifestyle. It's something that I will do for as long as I am here in this earth. That is the key. And so I want to encourage you all that this is our new lifestyle. This is our new lifestyle. So on that note, let me say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you to the new subscribers. Thank you for the newcomers. I'm just grateful for you. And thank you for the likes. Thank you for giving me the thumbs up. Thank you for your comments. They are very, very inspiring to me. Some of you are making the changes. Some of you are saying that you're going to join me in December with Raw-Vember. I am so happy to have you on board. Y'all, we're going to do this. Why? It's because with God, all things are possible. And we stand firmly on that. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. So I'm not going to keep you long, but I just want to share this book with you. It's by Jordan Rubin, The Raw Truth. Jordan Rubin, The Raw Truth. So you all, I encourage you, whatever you want to do in your life, find some materials, read it, become familiar with it. And that if it resonates with you, let it become a part of your life. This juicing is truly resonating with me. Going raw is truly resonating with me. I am so excited. I cannot explain it to you, but I am. I am so excited. Definitely, I am so excited. I don't know how to explain it to you. And you know, I made that, what is it? Pumpkin spice nice cream the other day. Y'all, that is powerful. And as I was eating it, I could feel the live enzymes going through my body, the live minerals, the live nutrients going through my body. I could feel it. And I feel it right now. I feel it right now. Okay, we're not going to do a whole lot of talking, but let me say, find your water bottles. We're going to do some exercises with these water bottles. Again, if you don't have a portfolio already, start your portfolio. Start your portfolio. Y'all, this is your life. This is your life history. I don't know if you realize it or not, but you have a book. You have a life book. Do you know what's in your book? Do you know what's in your life book? Y'all, it is so much to life than we'll experience it. And God wants us to live life to the fullest. And this is part of it. The juicing is part of it. Going raw is part of mine. It's part of it. So on that note, we're going to get to juicing. I'm selecting juices that's good for the heart. That's good for the heart. So today we're still doing beet juicing. And that's what I've been drinking all week, beet juices. So as I do my juicing, you all, I'm going to share it with you. Because I want to continue to help empower you, encourage you, inspire you. Oh yes, inspire everybody all around the globe to make healthy lifestyle changes. Y'all, this is what it's going to take. I love you all so much. Okay, we got 5 apples. I only got 3 beets. I'm using 2 lemons this time, turmeric, ginger, and leaves. I had leaves from the beets, so I'm using beet leaves with this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put the greens in the hopper. I'm gonna put the greens in there, and beets. Oh yeah, and the lemon. And I'm gonna cut the apple up. I have to cut the apple up. Y'all know I have to cut up the apple. So, and I'm gonna get this going. Oh yeah. So, again, tell me what some of you all are doing. Stay down there. Stay down there. Okay, tell me what some of you all are doing. You know I got to cut the seeds out of these apples. Put it in the comment section. Tell us what you're doing. Encourage somebody else. Encourage somebody else. Oh, you all, guess what? I'm learning Instagram and learning to do shorts. It's a learning curve for me. Some of you all are probably pros at this stuff, but I'm just starting with it. And so it's a challenge. It's a challenge, but it's fun. It's fun to learn. Y'all, it is fun to learn. I promise you. And I'm excited about it. I am excited about that. I am. So I want you to you see my what is it, Instagram? See my Instagram page, and see those the information on the Instagram. Give me a shout out and tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about my shorts. Again, y'all, this is a learning curve for me, so I'm just learning this. I am, and I'm excited to learn new things. My person, Leah, came by to work with me on Instagram and doing shorts, and it's a lot. It's a lot of information. However, I am willing to learn it. I am willing to learn it. So, y'all be patient with me. Be patient with me. God is not through with me yet. Y'all remember that song? Do any of y'all remember that song? Please be patient with me. God is not through with me yet. Then it goes on and say, when God gets through with me, I shall come forth as pure gold. Y'all, again, this is really exciting. Oh, yes, it is. It really is. I'm loving this. I am truly loving this. As people say, I'm in my element. I don't know about that, but I'll get excited. I get excited to share my story with you. Oh, I get excited that you invite me into your home. Oh yeah, I am excited about that. So we're about done here, but while that is finishing up, hold on a second. Okay. While that's finishing up, okay, get those water bottles. Let's hold them up. You know what? I'll promote moving. We gotta move. So let's do some arm raises, okay? Some lifts or whatever we're gonna call them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's push them out forward, out front of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yes, 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 yes. Now don't you feel better moving? Movement always equals improvement. Always remember that. So coming up soon in the next few days, so we are done here. In the next few days, I'm going to do a raw sweet potato pie. And I'm going to do, hopefully my plan is, if all my ingredients come in, I'm going to do, the fudge brownies. I think that's what it's called. That's from Fully Raw Christina. But this raw sweet potato pie is coming from me. I'm going to figure out how to get it done. I'm going to figure this out, y'all, because I know it's possible. So look at this. Oh, don't that look good? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, look at it. I'm going to show it to you in a few seconds. I'm going to show it to you in a few seconds, y'all. I am excited about this. Yes, I am. Oh, yeah. Y'all know I'm vibrating all over the place. I am. I feel so energized. Every time I do something, I feel so energized. Let me show y'all something right quick before I let you all go. I went outside in my in GGG, Gillum's Grow Bag Garden. So I want to show y'all what I got. So I know I needed some greens and things from a salad and to make smoothies. So here's what I got. These are collards here. These are collards, and I got leaves from my broccoli. I got the leaves from my broccoli. I sure did. So collards and leaves from the broccoli. And these are this Swiss chard and a host of mixed greens with arugula and kale. All that came from my backyard, y'all. As I'm out there cutting these things off, I am so energized because guess what? They're in the backyard. I didn't have to go to the store and buy them. I did not have to go to the store and buy them. So that's exciting in itself. All right, look at that. Look at that. My heart health juice. Heart health. This is where I'm going for the next 2 or 3 months. You're going to see lots of red, lots of green. So here it is. Cheers to heart health. Cheers to heart health. Oh, oh my gosh, this is so good. This is so good. Oh, yes. Oh my, I wish I could just say, here y'all, taste this. But it's not going to work. So anyway, I want you to, don't give up on yourself. Do not give up on yourself. Keep going, keep moving. I don't care what it costs you. Keep going, keep moving, keep moving. Do not stop. We are in this, as they say, for the long haul. We are in this for the win. We are in this for the win. All right. I love you all so much. Until the next video, peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.